Memo akwaba e the Barberries online TV so me din ni ohema akosi asafo a ofi. Nene se yatena sia e the life couch dwumadie e na ye de brewo na ene menya ababa wa so no bi wa ha. Mene no e betwetwe nkomo ni din e the diamond akosia entwiwa root. O hwe din na o hwe ababa wa na otumu ze edin no ese e fatane pa. Enko ba bia mi twa me ho aba ne nsem a obeti no enya asem ketewa.
Hey, onua, se efi aba so na yedi o. Emre so dania no ada no ho. Eye se wo sisam ni hu se wo ye guy. What you say? Eni nti na make for Osdan Productions e de amawo. Se wo ye wedding, engagement, funeral, party, wo to bedin. Se bibi bia efa mfoni twa ho ana se video de enhwe bebia se Osdan Production. Me se omu twa ma eni ye se clear. Inti for Osdan no me wadwuma nyina na ye fenchem. Kama. Fra wo mo 0248012353. Me se subium 0248012353. Ubehu Osdan Production ewo Kotwi off Obuasi Road. Facebook and say YouTube eye Osdan Productions. Osdan Productions and we give you the best.
Me sign so Emma wakwa baby make I will say subscribe to Berries Online TV and afin so Osdan Production. Ye de nyama pa ene ensempa ena ebrewo. Se de me din kan ene yenya ababa wa so no fe tuntumbro ni bi e wa ha ene no ebetwehwe nkomo e wo the lifestyle to do so. Diamond
Ohima.
Emma wakwa.
Yeah.
Me hu wa che.
Ya sebo seja. Adwuma nti ye de ho te sa.
Musika ba ni mama ye bi edi.
E ba obete.
Mate. Na Diamond ene ye behwe nkomo kakra. Ye ka se Diamond entwiwa kosia root.
Hey.
Oye hwan wo free hen na wo ko school. Wo betumi ama ye wabakasam kakra bi.
Okay. Me da say. Na sa wo to nsan so frame me. Ba Ohima
Berries
online TV. Okay, me cha obi bia o viewers. Me ka say akosi ntwiwa yo obi a me 1986.
1986.
Yeah.
Wow.
October 19th. Ewo Nigeria. Baby e fe no Kumawood. Okay. According to me mama sa no kan ye. Na minya be 3 years na ye ba Ghana. It's eja. Ye ba Ghana no so ba ye krom ma me fi Konongo Asante Achim Konongo.
Nti nkran kwan so Konongo.
Yeah, nti ye hwa na metina ya from Nkolabemi Ko school. Ewo Odumase LA. That time na friend local authority. Say almost say MA meaning okay, nti na say e hwa na me ko school me primary ne me JSS nya hwa na me wie ye. Na me be call SS ewo St Paul's secondary o Kwawu Asakraka.
Time now wo coin na omuka no SSS ana
yeah senior secondary school like but me a second batch for Wasi. I don't know. Yeah.
That time still na SSS.
I think so. I don't know. My confused. Second batch of Wasi, West Africa no. I think so no na SS be mana.
Na SS.
Me moment e na me call from school we say na me wie school na eja. You didn't know my braboni ma already not a person a journalist. Okay. But na say sikasem kakra ni fie na se phone ti no. Me kwa akra se me ko bobra kakra. Ti e ho na me na mu ana me ko hia obi na me ka so me ko manage movie industry ho.
Enti no. Okay, be movie industry this one time. Enti uwie JHS SHS no. Once was be.
No say me ko na man ko acting course no.
Into acting him and outside the better so and as
me acting say
baby o education level na
me education e dey say say maybe am kuta journalism certificate
into what me be journalism now.
Oh yeah say me buy but it taking me for a while and na meet me
one na ma brabo ni
me na ma brabo ni bia say na me kan ti ma me koye short course before 3 years e wo movie industry like for acting ti me feel one na ansa na me na mu na me say no member journalism ina mi sumisi journalism kakanaja ya dini na mababeni
journalism school akosi ya journalism school dey bu oga na ha bebre they say e be ya 1 month ni 2 months na e mo dey hin bi na ho
okay me ko tech school of journalism
school of journalism and now we year be
me ko ye diploma course so 2 years.
Okay,
yeah, 2 years.
So you fully
journalist.
And I'm fine adwuma.
Yeah, the age man kakra. Yeah, and kakra the age ba.
Okay. Inti yambra wo acting career ni so. Diamond a actress. How many years now what acting industry?
Hey. Actually, because right after secondary school, no, that was it started somewhere 2007, early 2007. Because I think my first movie crab about no na by some because my results crap.
Wow.
Yes, 2007.
Yes. And so you be the name Diamond, darling Diamond. 2007 and 207. That's
207. Oh yeah.
207.
Yeah. So dates.
O first movie ba out that year na. O na unya chance na pa. O first movie ba out.
My first movie ba, but it wasn't that much robia, but no make us my best screen so there. My first movie.
Now you work pass.
Not really work pass, but some year a sister to Abrobe. Yeah, Abrobe ntino. Na she dan work pass biasa.
Na edimonyam kaka.
Na kaka o.
E asem o aduma we. Diamond, oh yeah, single and I say obi wa homa ne so.
Oh, she say nyame adom obi wo so.
Pepacho hu Diamond wa bontia. Obi e wa ahoma ne so, mamo enko tata no. Na obi e wa ahoma ne so. Inti obetumi amaye abakosem kakra fa ekwan a ofa so a oba acting industry.
Okay, I say na me kan earlier no. Na many all my life I want to be in the entertainment industry. I want na me feel like I say many J ewo, me pepper ewo. Eti mi wie secondary school na me nya skanko journalism school no. E na me hu obi ne kan so okay, Socrates Safo, Socrates Safo or school. Mo training for. And I'm so okay, why not say me anya journalist me me actress. And I me call on the school for 3 years. E ko sua ade kakra. And I say me didn't nemu a later and some bounce back to me feel that some
me acting school no na skatu ya bia ni.
Oh, na sika wom, but na nye that much huge say me call for journalism na every semester bia we betua auto hangouts ne sa ni manema no na less than journalism. Ntama me dey kan dey for one sana me back yeah.
Inti challenge being our face industry.
As in movie industry and I say
say journalism so they are shabagi
me fan shabagi sir but challenges in there ohima bebre wa uwo movie you have to know but once say ka wo hwe me an ka 207 no I should be out by now but I don't know how it is but sexual harassment ni doso just say it's a whole lot. It's a womb.
Diamond who offense here.
There be a womb. It's a womb point. Industry there and you better say who ni say wo but it's not easy. You can say you can't be changed.
Madam say it's sexual harassment here working. Say a producer, a director, a co-worker, and na a pay free who na say
oh, it's not like that, but on say once obe baby no obia try say obe making advance it seven say uko baby fufu na won share that nim the code and ethics e was side opportunity no sebio say soundman bi kra na bia o person no da e bia editor kra na because I can remember say I face some challenges bi wo a obekọ no editor no aba o mepe one pene dia nye ye ko bencha metimi edit am movie film yes e bia soundman be ka say wa mame feel wa o kasa no kra no nti ye bedu edit be chi be yi film that sound so ba sa na bi so one year like so na producer so di no abegim eti challenges in there it's a whole lot just say yes be break
it is sexual harassment we know etumi ebu abemu da say ade we nti kra adwuma we mani nje hu bi
ohima embu mabem because ka ebu mabem a yes na me start here na I think by now nka megyae nka mabem betime because start na me wakra no mitimi be kumase me be duru no e bia director bia na say producer so me pese me no dance na mama ro no me sa folk a e ko back nti on say we me transportation nyai me ka wo manage ho ankasa me pese me yinti no I have passion I have love for it nti do me say be taking me 20 years to come out na ha me na I say nkofo mpanifo bi so etu me fo growing up no because one person like Achebuwa Christian Awuni ye mama Chewa. It was that time we Chewa movie now I was on that set.
Chewa before.
Yes.
And you watch it?
Matchapa because na so kwesafo ye theory ni we we are call down for BA ho ni akoye practical aspect so camera techniques and all that no ye down for one that time that we every week we move about intina yes into no ho na ye call for practicals into wo kona ma me for no mu too for ye concert party ache ye say ye nu ho nti no so bra no person oboko wani ma na say industry person wo che wo ma bra ho asema mpanifo ye say nti no na ebuso ani na mu a edabedu say ye
nti ni nyina mu na one penny no o ne industry person bi atwem Canada.
Oh yes, during me acting course no me has a musician there no me one of me and my colleague no musician there sir we dated for a while
nti na enye se
apart from
for a role nti na
no no kwa the mom there sir because of na say harassment in the adults it is say in the end no me ni obi e date ya obaka so any pass me ni we twem plenty na me nye dem me ha me ho nye dem emba and then the man made the course me the yes I didn't but aside down on the me ni I will say me ni obia wo industry no mo entwe
Canada.
Yeah.
What was set be brave or worst experience out mo say set we pa die me no me ho say me call set no worst experience there
Ohima my worst experience was my first movie. That was the President Gift way back. New lady and I said new artist amako set so. Na makako share superstars I should say it because Satana Pascal Edwards, Fred Amugi, just say you name it. Omo nyina o set ni so. The moment I me hu omo na me yare ye. Me nim de ye me immediately me yare ye. E who told me so you see hey because my now so that I say me who we omo mu TV so nyam we omo ne and it got to a point and I say mama me rest me try but the fear and the panic no na it so say Uncle Fred Amugi baby wo bia no me chapa papa because wa boa me or friend no say you know shake up you can do it and na me take your advice on kakaka me dey yeah into me worst experience there in fact that day the president gift me I mean say yes be for me
enti yare na chi no utumi be ye adwuma no
oh yes me be ye adwuma no e ba be ye because of a foot be a Uncle Fred the mama ne Pascal ne dress mo the mama enti ma me ba back be ye adwuma no
and you make sure say no your first movie.
Oh yeah, I don't know my first. I don't know my first movie I try and I mean hey, e buy pa na me sure say me call campus na hey.
It's not who play role baby.
Na me ko ya bro sister. It's yeah, Satana Abawa Mary, man be no tell super movies mu Abawa Mary. Na ne ba ene abrobe. Ene say ye hangi abrobe na it's na me ko ye abrobe sister. I should put it that way.
Yembra ye industry mu sawa ye adwuma na uni mu kakra no ye like say crew oma ye no ne unknown no de hin na osusu say oni omo ye adwuma e okay
ohima me de me hu ni say in life no betim no obi aye adwuma it depends on nipa na attitude ye wo obi wo how you very known but sebi omuade and I say ye arrogant and na you obi won so ye unknown ono so muade sa what I say I think it depends on the person. It's no obia no metimi obi betimi obi aye adwuma it depends.
Okay. Inti say a diamond enye nipa bebre na nim say diamond impo ya actress ada inti na osusu say producers no omo pe new you can say old faces but as a upcomers no de omo mfa yen osusu say dey intia
I don't know but industry na nkasa say empanifo timitina say no mudi enema egu akwan mu and I say amendment me there some was sign because there be obi can adentina same new faces they don't want to use upcomings and now obey is upcoming crown on shada money challenging road bia ebe manipa no ebe ba bonten yes no the amount now we try say na wo ko sometimes to be quite say enya wo na wo doma industry ko unya kan ka bejai because what means wakomache for me instance say wakomache na bia obenya road bi okokotana set so be na wo ho na be ko na two things bi What I say na akọ waste nti I think that it's high time yes say industry players no and as a president omotena say no mo fa hye bi ngwa kwam say no at least ye fa ye use the movie babonten at least ye fa bi 50% of ye ni ye fa bi 50% of ana say bi 30 na omo fa combine yes sine be ya at least ni nyina ni use bi film so say because they bia it shouldn't be one face they bia because to ya last meeting we as any person see them abena nim they bia me hu nanim sa no it's yeah I think it's high time I say omo wake up na omo sesa nyemem I say they say movie no air bounce back no there are so many things that they need to change. Okay. Yeah,
who is that one director or person oni ni ye ejuma na say oni na ye ejuma time bia obe person director we dey me on set so anka pepe. Challenging question,
very 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 challenging. But I think Semeka say some efficient. Okay. Because that time not he's one year present for Artists Guild Ghana or Accra. That director no wabwa me in a lot. Many na ye juma. I've worked with so many directors, but I will choose him because of nyeme bia why like nentu bwase na ho brase ne you know the ono there. If I should choose, I would really choose him. Yeah.
Have you rejected a role before?
Rejected. Yes, just recently I rejected the role because now it was a nude and I told her no mean to me because of my man will be very pissed and that thing, you know. I rejected.
Brand name test.
That be Debbie. Some certain things be honestly it's no be any brand. It's no be any house carrying itself. Oh, see, ebia or hima because say oh roll with them nyamicha. But me mum ne bia me nyame yede. Me twa nti yeah, that's the standard that me set it. So
from 2007, ejuma do say na waye. You can say acting, movies are about out. Ejuma do say na waye.
And also but make us say dear I say me try more ne dear. I think I should be able to get 6 or 7.
6 or 7.
Dear wo one way back across. And the Busentrika and a whole acha minkai.
If you dear doors, so kind.
Oh, one say, yeah, but I don't think so right now. If Ubenya, I say, Wunya or yeah.
Sir Oba, Sinichamu, yet what were you, Mamma, I say, market to ye.
Yeah, I see. For I should say if it's Kumawood that I don't think.
Okay, so Kumawood phone to your kada.
Yes.
And phone it to
oh, me not me wakra. I was saying wakra about Kumasi. Akra no. Even when I was on as like me call as a student or that be a set to so I camera techniques no. Not sebi onuka utia meka. Just being there to work in Okrakeke and after that no. I'm not saying say I went there for the money and as bibisa, but honestly nipa we bibi or the little appreciation is in the pani show. It's for Kumasi I will 100% say yemfia meka Kumasi. Yes.
Kumasi for Miss Momuntia ye kana ye ninje modjuma. And so mutia oka when you bedroom modjuma.
Oh yeah, why not? Why not? Because on say let's say Yefa Accra in Siho. Oh no, the mom the park production they say regardless say at least oh me know why you waste me we say oh we be agi 10 cities kwa fatun so na say you say ya almost say at least wako baby wako yedma in the end no oh ko fia who was that enthusiasm say oh makoye yedma me you feel yeah but Kumasi ade there in fact oh go continue set to kwa be 2 months we be fear wait and who can obi be free say oh obwa but in fact
they don't know. They don't know. Hana menje abwa for carto me buy it.
Hey onua se say efe aba so na ye di o emre so dania no ada no ho eyese wo sisam ni hu se wo ye guy what ya say enti na American for Osdan Productions e de amawo se wo ye wedding engagement funeral party o to bedin se bibi bia efa mfonitwa ho ana se video de enhwe bebia se Osdan Production me se omutwa ma ani ye say clear into the for Osdan no me wadwuma nyina na ye fenchem kama fra wa mu 0248012353 me se susubium 0248012353 53 ubehu Osdan Production ewo Kochi off Obuasi Road. Facebook and say YouTube Osdan Productions. Osdan Productions and we give you the best.
Besides, so I'm baby. May Berries Online TV, the live couch. Let's not say Abrabomu as it's na honsem and na yeka. But more than say subscribe, no I like it. Watch share, now we'll leave you a comment. And so see Osdan Productions and na ignition so I will check corner subscribe it to my channel. Yeah, na darling diamond and na air to train and come on. Oh yes, in the training of 2007. And yes, I'm get to I enter and for what you train. I was the I bro. And so en kakra.
Oh, you bedru ho.
You bedru. Advice when out the man omo person omo yesini na omo yesini e wo Ghana hanum say e fa say directors, producers, ne actors mo mo twa yayi no. E futo be na de be mo.
Oh, onya de make am say directors no. It's high time I say omoma new faces, allowing new faces ma eba. No more challenging roles in future because say one ma obi challenging role no we ntwa be dem who nipa na mo no perfect obi me say adwuma no. I think say it's high time say at least mo fa superstars no be 30% and mo fa upcoming CB be 70% amo de mo afra na yetimi atwa adwuma no ama na ye kama. And now new upcomings na eba no so there in fact so mo to mbo because at times when we co-location and maybe me hune ya na areho. I just say because one it's not about sebio sex in a do bedroom that top. And nye sebio nye maybe a obeya na center maybe abahye in e be mo ye yinti no me can say omonto omoboase they should respect na omon fan paibo enye adwuma na eden ya definitely they will get there because me na way my chance me jam me that's yes me say one day I will be there. It's to was send a so much was no more penny a mumbu nipa. That is it because obo edu bedu echi because obu obino in obi ko baby or recommend you obis me call location ko hu ge we say it's director yen friend no what you say enti ebuo ye ade bia e say omo so mumbu mpanifu na so mumbu omo beto mu industry ni se na be ya at least obi beti me recommend you obi e de na ama yes.
Ejuma wo ye bebrebe sinitwa wo bre bebrebe from 2007. Is this stardom for you? And I say be before for ewo ho. Inti na weni abre wo ejuma ho bebrebe.
Okay, like I say ejuma na ka say manage ho. Yes.
You stardom ni free okra weni.
It's not about the stardom because okay stardom we gonna say my bread because it's over 10 years and still counting. When I say my bread, my jaya me nyebim. What I say, but it's not about the stardom. I just love the job and I just want to do it. What I say because in growing up and as a coming, me share maybe judgment no. Maybe I'm worried. When I say no, me pay judgment into me enjoy. What I say, yeah. If you love me, you should love me for who I am and what I want to do. It's just, it's me just start doing things me then. Me dear you and as bisa, but me pay judgment no ankasa. It's na mama.
And see, apart from acting, any journalism no, who you be before for become home?
After na me person me business be account. Into pipeline member.
And this say ye acting any journalism see what they now be choosing.
I'll choose both.
You can't choose both.
I'll choose both.
There be maybe can't choose choose one. Nimi no dear now because what in Kayaka say now open journalism no na
yeah for now I'll choose acting.
I didn't hear.
Oh because my niya beje ho. What I say, and I really want to express myself through acting. What I say, yes, I will choose acting any day, anytime.
When you may will start here, when you support every abusian for say because Juma will start here, abusian for abusu be brave, giant one abusian support till say the way no.
And not yet. Meet me, I can't. Edmund will say yes. May bush any be anywhere. Or told me a JJ what I say because me growing up on no oba but me mama me Jamie ba e ma ohun vision e den e wo mani so to me e boa me me but na be ya me nya ho aye ne ese me ye nti no I think say when you be kwa na say be o te oba ma o say kono kwa nya wo ya e say wo say yes a huge we say nti no mabusian for there in fact they were 100% a for a you can say omo ye. But my love life na dey hard drink kaka but say na say oh yes I on say industry new there e be ya oh sinitwa ni bad there wow ni perception ni na say for but you know we still move on.
We still move.
Oh yes
we move.
We dey.
obi assign will say production house be and I say management be our more manage you.
Dabi. I'm on my own.
You are on your own. Over person will be managing.
So oba na terms and conditions near good dia.
Good dia. But oba ma enye cool. Na diamond ejuma hote enye se bi a me kasa keke. Ohu na oye oba one ne ye ejuma. Me ne ko share o set so. In fact, e ho na obeye madam. She is a very calm and
hey.
Ohu na men na we ka say eh diamond so obey na she ni. Ara
Kenken kwa.
Enti akosia industry we aboa say obi betimi aka say oh me ba industry we me bi adwuma say me ba industry we mu no na enye enso me ba mu no wo de na ayede yetumi aboa kakra.
Oh yes, make us say aboa me kaka in way say e bi on so beko baby na bia obehi obi mu a cause oh me frɛ nipa semesikra na e bia obetimi eden abeboa me. Enti make us say one or two ways be aboa me. Yes, aboa me pa nti no de me nka say mo me aboa me kakra although say we be say me superstar me krom but enye match in Ghana but yes but me ko be a aya me ko aboa me kakra she say yes aboa me kakra
nti say we your old face but make us say upcomer because enye nipa bebre na any name darling e foto over na ode be ma omo a yen ya o me kan say mo de mo ye mfanimfo o de we yen ya ye ba no e foto over na ode be ma yen
I go say that work out and to what say what I say we say up say u call drew baby a bo obra ne drew baby a you need to a step at a time what I say untimi enko ni boom sa
timi fa sam ye no need
yes na make I say e drew baby no say ka me ko no na me nyankofo bi amama ntumi fo a I think senka e bia nka me bom bi bo masan because me che waka che me say bla ma bre pa be no bla wa bra sana she one role kwa na nya ni role but luckily e be nya ni role because of ebia na the time I den aso nti ebia time I want you so be give you up maybe kwa na nti e to boase and you shouldn't give up because edwuma no pedia you shouldn't give up e kakra ne hu se ubedru ne mampai bonso enye ubedru
diamond ye be den ye hu diamond ye pe diamond na ye be fro we social media handles.
Oh, okay. See, Facebook here, Darling Diamond. What? Obo mi say, eja, mi sun to me abeda so profile picture. We da send our Instagram so darling_diamond1.
Diamond 1.
Yeah, ba ko pe.
Bia ni hobi.
David.
Enti Mr. say o share diamond e kira kwan a ko Instagram and I say ko Facebook. Na akọhwehwe na kira kwan okoni DM a oye nipa se de ya eka oye nipa se akosia we da asese me frɛ wo na obai
me da asese thanks for having me here.
Enti de kosi ya no de daye ekoso ya eni piti agro ye de no na ade esa ekirifo eye diamond akosia entwiwa root otidin na otimuze onye nipa ketwa Darling Diamond ewo Instagram follow no na afei uhie adwuma mesrepo bi amana ye act no science entroni na wabo epini no bibi ewo bia odebema o medin ne ohema akosia safo a ofe ye de life coach dwumadie na ede ebrel ewo berries online tv so subscribe to your channel no share like it na leave your comments ewo asie ye ba be kinkan ama was done production ena eboa etwa ye tena ase won Whispers Guest House Omobe Christian Service University ewo Santase Star Junction. O follow me on Instagram I am Ohima Berry. That's an enso me de foforo ebebrel makra.